we have a table. It was my friend's table. She wanted me to give it a bit of a zhuzh. So what we did was we added some varnish and stain remover onto the top and left it for 30 minutes. We were trying to get everything off. We wanted to get that smooth look. So we came back after about 30 minutes and tried to get the varnish off, which came off very easily. As you can see here, just all scraped off, leaving the lovely wood underneath. After we did that, we sanded the top down, and then we painted the underneath a lovely grey. We then sealed the top with a satin varnish on top to give it that look that is quite modern. Took away the yellow, and there is the finished article. So some lovely light grey legs with a great top of varnish on top.